because this is really cool about the beach towel collection. It's soft and cool enough that you can pick 2-3 beads together, or you can pick one bead and then blend them together. So you will never go wrong with this. I'm gonna get some of the Shine Bright and having a really cool and then fun time with this. Let's see what is going to be with this. Get a little bit hint of purple in there. You were seeing, I think I got an opportunity to share with you that how I did the ombre as well. Using this collection, I did every single of the colors ombre, I believe, and I saved all the video there. So if you like to watch some of the techniques, they are there for you for your convenience. So when you have some spare moment, you can definitely watch them. Just randomly, I just like to mix them together without mixing them. This turned out really cool because we did like single individual ombre for each color, but when they putting them together, it looks so cool. It's kind of a cool blending really well. All right, so I am happy with the colors that I'm doing. I'm gonna pick up some of the metal pieces I have. Maybe we should do in like a treasures, like in the ocean. You think? Whatever theme that you want to create.
And if you don't want treasure, you can also put in some egg, and you could have a perfect Easter design too.
Huh? Easter eggs?
Yeah, that color.
That'd be cool. This color. You can use it perfect for spring and summer. I'm gonna add some of the beads. Alright, if you're happy with this, we are going to coat this one. Cap it with the crystal clear. And I like to cap it with this because we're using like a different colors on our entire nails. So we are going to cap it completely, the nails from the cuticles down. This not only protects all of the metal charms, but also it caps all of the glitters. Different colors. Just tilt the nail down and let the gravity do all the work for you. This is perfect for beginner nail techs to achieve this look. So easy to work with. Just a little bit more crystal clear on this side. And then we'll let it set. I kind of like really a cool combination of this color together. Looks stunning. All right, let me see. Let's take a look of this one and the one I did it earlier. You can pretty much just matching with any colors together. I'm so obsessed with this like collection. So easy to do. Wait until you can finish this with the shiny top coat or the matte top coat. It looks so cool. Let's try a different color. So we did this first one, I did these 2 colors. Hold on, this 3 colors. And then the second one I did the, okay, so first one I did Blue Lagoon, Shine Bright, and Mojito. The second one I did the, what is this one? It's Peach Bellini. And then also I did this one, it's Maleficent. I'm trying to look at the name on the bottoms of the jar. And then the Mojito. I believe that's the colors with it. And I think, did I do the Shine Bright? It doesn't matter. You can mix any colors together. I mean, like, place them on. They blend so well. And you can have so much fun with this. Okay, that's the 2 look. And then we're going to move on.